All right, well, how's your skin doing now that we're a year into this pandemic with less trips to the doctor? You're wearing a mask more often. A lot of people complaining about their skin health. And Dr. Dusan Saik is a world-renowned dermatologist. He joins us live this morning via Zoom with some tips to cancel COVID face. Dr. Saik, thanks for joining us. All right, let's start with the mask and things we can do to try to make our face feel better when we're wearing one.
Thanks, Joe, for having me. And that's a key thing is our skin is really there, a barrier. It's there to protect us. And by changing the routine and putting masks on, we're really changing the environment. We're making our skin much more susceptible to the changes in microbiome, to moisture, and it's causing all kinds of problems for our patients. And one of the key things is really trying to get your skin breathe, minimize the amount of products that you're putting in. And actually, it's not real maskne, is not real acne. It's actually quite different. And some of the products that you're typically using to treat acne are actually going to make maskne worse. So it's starting with that, really knowing which products to use.
All right, what about sitting in front of a computer screen? I do this all day. More and more people, kids, teenagers, everybody's working from home or schooling from home. Can that blue light have an effect on our face?
Yes, there's a lot of research, and we're seeing more and more of that. That sun has always been the #1 way for us to age, but the blue light, the blue screen, that what you're looking at, that computer, recent evidence and recent science has shown that it's actually aging us almost as fast as the sun itself. So by blocking that filter, wearing tinted sunscreen, and that's the important factor, is tinted, because it won't protect us from that blue light. We need the titanium dioxide and iron oxide to really protect us well from that blue screen.
All right, now there are lots of products out there. What are the best things to do to give your overall skin a good feel, whether you're wearing a mask or not, or sitting in front of a computer or not? There are things we can do, right? Everybody can do.
Yeah, I call them the pillars of health. And if you look at it kind of like going to the gym, I call it the gym for your skin. So there's simple things you can always do. Of course, you can hire a personal trainer and do your best, but simple things like stretching, for example. So for your skin, the stretching is gentle cleansers, and then what I call my pillars of skincare. So sunscreen, sunscreen, sunscreen. And then there's the two other ones like antioxidants and a retinol that are traditionally really good for you. But with maskne and having those masks on, they cause a lot of irritation. So that's the thing we've seen with a lot of our patients. So moving to non-traditional products like bakuchiol and hydroxytyrosol as substitutes, I think are the best way to go.